time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we got our first order. This one is going to be McDonald's, going 2.5 miles.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using your mobile app today?
Morning.
Morning. Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that one was $6 and change, and we're heading right back to McDonald's. This one's going 3.5 miles.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using your mobile app today?
507?
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. No tip on that one. Total was $4. That was like a 15-minute wait since that last order, but we finally got another one. This is a stacked Caesar bagel going 7 miles.
Good morning.
Morning. I have 2.
Beautiful. I have 2 right here too. Can you just confirm those real quick?
Total for those 2 was $16 and change. Not quite what I was looking for here, but we got the next order. This is a Krispy Kreme going 10 miles. I feel like every Krispy Kreme, as soon as I see the notification pop up, I can just expect to see 8+ miles. Just default. Thank you. Thank you. Total for that order was $11 and change, and we got the next order right away. This one is Carl's Jr. going 8 miles. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Why did I not check the order before I got here? There's one item on this. French toast dips. What is this order, dude? Oh, this is gonna be terrible. But I'm already here. Do I cancel it?
Alrighty. There you go. Have a good day.
You too, thank you. I looked on the menu and these are $3.99. Surely there's gonna be a $3.99 tip on it, right? Not really sure if you could read the doormat there, but it said definitely not a crack house. Well, you gotta be smoking it to come up with that order, because no tip. Total was $6 for that. Next up, we've got, what is this? Hello Waffle, sweet and savory, going 9 miles. This one is bringing me closer to my zone, so I'm taking it.
All right, I got 2 bags for you.
Thank you.
All right, you're all set, man.
Okay, there we go. Total for that ended up being $14. Pretty decent, and it got me back into my zone. Oh my goodness. I just got a Chick-fil-A. This one's going 10 miles, going back out of my zone.
Here's that order for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have one.
Hand it to me. Can this get any worse? Like, do you want me to give you my wallet as well? $1 tip. Total ended up being just under $7. Very, very disgusting. Next up, we've got a stack. I believe it's going to 2 different customers. We've got Taco Bell and IHOP. $13 and change, going 7 miles. I'm just hoping the IHOP isn't too busy. That'll be the only way this turns out to be a bad order. What? Please check to see if my drink is in clip shot. Leave me alone.
Jay,
pickup? Pickup for pickup?
Thank you.
Are you here for pickup?
The only reason I don't have an indoor outdoor is because I don't have it.
Just had to pick up for Tanya.
Tanya, I think I'll still be prepared. You're not recording in here, right? Okay, so this is a private property and you cannot.
That's all I needed. Let's get out of here. Didn't want to do this order anyways, so goodbye, customer. All right, total for that one was $6 after I unassigned the previous one. Just got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol, $7, going 2 miles, 1 item. And that should be it.
Okay. Because she doesn't have a Safeway where she lives. Because you got accused.
And I couldn't get it to take, I could not get it to take the picture.
So what we get for going shopping with grandma? Grandmas are always
And then
problems.
it's, you know, 17.
Let's try it again.
If that doesn't work, I can try with the card.
Yeah, you want to try with the
Yeah,
card?
let's try that.
These machines are acting.
No, you're all good.
Really, really.
I get it.
Let me try something here. So let me go ahead and scan it again and see if it'll scan. Nope.
Okay, just forget it then.
Sorry about
No,
that.
you're all good. Thank you so much.
You want to call them to see?
No, I've had enough issues with DoorDash today. I'm just done.
Sorry.
You're all good. Thank you, though. Yeah, we're done. We're just done. I am over it. Current time is 9:23. Total, we are at 71. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.